Guys, this is Dr. Callahan. Welcome to ProbStats for week 2 Thursday. Here are your 3 questions for your warm-up log. I'm super excited to meet all you guys tomorrow for Friday. So your first question is, what are some good qualities that you will look for a leader, such as a principal of a school, and why? Question number 2, are you having a good week? What did you guys do? List 2 things and draw a picture. Question number 3, solve for y on this equation. And the bonus question is, when do you use a Venn diagram? So pause the video, take a moment, and answer these questions. Okay, so question number 3. A Venn diagram is a visual tool, and it's used to compare and contrast, similarities and differences of 2 or more objects, events, people, concepts, etc. So here are some examples. Like, for example, this is a Venn diagram comparing whales and fishes. These are all the qualities of whales, such as they have hair, live birth, breathe in air, that are attributed to whales and not fishes. Fishes lay eggs, have scales, breathe water, where whales do not do. And then in between the Venn diagram is where they share. They both live in waters, they both have fins, and they can both swim. Here's another one. This is a pretty crazy one because it's like a quad diagram of cookies, caramel, chocolate, and nuts. So what chocolate bar has all 4 of these delicious attributes? Take 5, which I've never tried before, but maybe now that I know that, I should try it. All right, question number 2. You're going to draw the line in the center because those are the equal signs. So you have left side and your right side. You want to go ahead and get rid of the smaller y just so you have a positive variable. So opposite of a negative y is a plus y, so you get 11y on the left side. Then you want to get rid of the negative 9 because you want to isolate the y. Opposite of a negative is a positive. Then your last step is, what is opposite of 11 times y? It's going to be divide. So my answer in this case is 1. And you can always check your answers to make sure that the left side equals the right side. So in this case, it does, because left side is -1 and right side is -1. Check. Okay, so when I saw you guys for last week, you guys had your homework assignments. So go ahead and take a look at your homework assignments from the textbook. I know some of you guys don't have textbooks, and that's okay because your textbook has a screenshot, and I posted that on Google Doc. This is the question that you guys had. And here are your answers. All right, so last class, these were the breakdown of what we did. The big one is your 8 questions right here, so keep that in mind. So tally up what you have accomplished. And let's move forward with today's stuff. Today, we're going to talk about Venn diagram. It is our day 2 with Venn diagrams. You have a mini assessment, which is going to be 10 questions, okay? You're going to be practicing your objective number 9, which is on page 25 of your guided notes, and also objective number 10. We will correct both of those next class. I do have a match flashcard right here. Keep in mind the capital JSTW, lowercase FH. You can go ahead and practice with it. I also have a Kahoot on Venn diagram notations, and your homework for 2.3 is going to be on number 42 to 64. And keep in mind that if you want to access your homework, you do have your Google Doc for this class. So let me go ahead and show you guys where you will access that. Okay, so your Google Doc. Okay, I'm sharing it. Just want to make sure. Is right here. So to access this, it is this this link right here, capital CUW, everything else lowercase. Once you go and type that in, you'll have access to this Google Doc. And like I said before in my previous videos, this is week 2 Thursday, so you're gonna have to scroll down to week 2 Thursday. Keep going, here we go. So week 2 Thursday, gives you a summary of everything that we have done today. Right here, there we go. And then any of the assignments that you want to access, so you don't have to type everything in, you just click on it because it is already linked for you. And then we're going to take a quick little quiz. So if you missed today's lesson for some reason, here is the quiz that's going to be on there as well. You might have to maximize this a little bit to see a little bit better. But yeah, that's where it is. I also have a video right here that I would like you guys to watch, and then an exit ticket. Here's your objective number 9. That's going to be in your guided notes, so make sure you guys respond to that. Here's your objective number 10. It's more practice of unions and intersections. Now you can go ahead and grab a scratch paper, number 1 to 10. And you guys are going to have a quiz. Man, looking at those kids sitting so close together, totally not 3 or 6 feet apart. Isn't that like a thing of the past? All right, so here is your quiz. Section 2.1, it's going to be on basic concepts. Questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are multiple choice. Please pause and answer. Here's question number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and pause and answer. All right, so now that you're done, you can go ahead and get 1 point if you got it wrong, 0 points if you, 0 points if you get 1 point if you got it correct, 0 points if you got it wrong. So a total of 10 points total. Now remember, a 9 or better, whoops, a 9 to 10, oh my gosh, what happened? Is gonna be an A, 8 is a B, 7 is a C, 6 is a D, anything 5 or below, you want to retake this. So here are your answers for 1 to 6, and your answers the 7 to 10. Make sure you show your work. And that's all we're going to cover today in class. So happy working, you guys, and I will see you all tomorrow.